name is Angelika Zapatari. I am Greek, and I did the corporate law LLM last year. During my undergraduate study, it was quite hard for me to pick a program because I liked a lot of my courses. But I think corporate law has always been my favorite one. And during my internship, I really liked all of our cases that had to do with corporate law. So, but I also had interest in other fields. So the Edinburgh University offered the possibility to choose your electives from different fields and in a way customize your own program. So I really like that fact. And also I think the University of Edinburgh has a very long history and a very good reputation. So that was also a decisive factor in my choice. I really liked my core courses. I think both professors managed to communicate their enthusiasm and inspire vivid conversations during the seminars. But also I really liked my international trade law course because there were a lot of group projects and we had the opportunity to collaborate and to share our opinions and our different views from our different legal systems. It was a multinational environment, so that was quite interesting. And also it was a quite different experience from the one that I had in my undergraduate studies. I enjoyed that very much. So I was quite disappointed that I had to leave at the end of the second semester. That was it was very hard and challenging year. But I think both the university and the professors managed to make the transition a lot easier. Our own online courses were completed successfully. And also, the online library had all the resources that I needed to complete my dissertation, so that was not a problem at all. And overall, I think also our course organizer was very helpful and very supporting during that time. He was always sending us emails and tips for studying and for keeping our mental health very in a good shape. So that was nice. I think anyone that has been in Edinburgh must agree that it's one of the most beautiful cities in the UK, not to say in Europe. I think it's a very, very pretty city. But I think the best part of Edinburgh is its people. I find Scottish people to be very welcoming and very warm, and that made me feel right at home. But also I think it's the vivid student community and the student association. There were so many events going on there, so many bars, and the nightlife was quite amazing. There was always something going on. I really love that fact. Currently, I'm working in a law firm in Greece, and I'm in the corporate finance department. So I found my whole experience in Edinburgh and everything that I did in my LLM very useful in my work today. But I would definitely love to come back sometime. I don't know, maybe for a PhD or to work in a UK law firm. That would be amazing. It's definitely in my plans for the future.